brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Smecta. Smecta has Dioctahedral Smectite in it, and this is made by Atco Laboratories. The price for the box is 619 rupees. It has 30 sachet in it. The Smecta sachet powder is used for acute and chronic diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome in adults, gastroesophageal reflux in infants, and other conditions. Smecta powder contains dioctahedral smectite as an active ingredient. Smecta powder works by increasing the resistance of the mucosal gel. Smecta powder is used for the treatment, control, prevention and improvement of the following diseases, conditions and symptoms: acute and chronic diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome in adults, gastroesophageal reflux in infants, and some side effects which are related to Smecta are constipation, and pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers should avoid taking Smecta because the side effects outweigh the benefits. It is also indicated for symptomatic treatment of gastritis, complicated hiatal hernia, gastroesophageal reflux and its complications, spastic colon, inflammatory colitis in particular when accompanied by diarrhea, acute and subacute diarrhea in the child. Treatment does not eliminate the need for rehydration when it is required. The volume of dehydration and its route of administration should be adapted to the subject's age and condition and to the severity of the diarrhea. In a child under 1 year, 1 sachet per day is sufficient. In a child between 1 and 2 years, 1 or 2 sachets per day, and above 2 years, 2 or 3 sachets per day. In an adult, 3 sachets per day. The contents of the sachet may be mixed into half a glass of water or mixed well with semi-liquid food, broth, stewed fruit, puree, etc. This is a very good medication for use in diarrhea when the diarrhea is in infants. So I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.